Does your dog make this sound? Or that sound? They might sound similar, but they are caused by completely different problems. Let me explain why. It all depends on when the sound happens, during inhalation or exhalation. Honking during inhalation usually means cervical tracheal collapse, common in small breeds. It can also be from laryngeal issues or upper airway obstruction. Coughing during exhalation is different. It's often caused by kennel cough, chronic bronchitis, or even by heart disease when it's worse at night. Let me explain what's really happening in part 2.